Hello, this is a quick video about completing the square, a technique you need to do in algebra at GCSE, but one that becomes increasingly useful if you go on to A-level and you start doing lots of sketching of quadratic graphs and things. So the technique is pretty simple if, like this one, you only have one x squared. If you've got 2x or 3x or something like that, it gets a bit more complicated, but the principle is the same. Right, all you do, you start by looking at this middle number, the b, if you like. If I write this x squared plus bx plus c. That might be useful later. So you look at this b number and you halve it in your head. Fortunately, this is a nice round number, so if I halve it, I get 4. And you write this, you write x plus 4 all squared. Okay, next you need to think about what that would be, what the value of that would be, and then what you need to do to make it equal to your original equation. So x plus 4 all squared is x squared plus 8x, which is good, because that's what we've got here, plus 16. Now what do I need to do to turn 16 into 3? I need to take away 13, so that's what I'm going to do. And now this expression is equal to that one, so I can say equals. Now if we want to think a bit generally, what you're actually doing is going x plus half of b, well, I don't know, b over 2, all squared. And then you've got to do this sort of weird little bit on the end. So you have your plus c, take away b squared over 4. That's actually what's happening here. But you don't need to worry too much about that. You just halve that number, put it in the all squared, and then do that maths to think about what adjustment you need to make. That's it. That's the whole thing. Hope that was helpful. Thanks very much for watching. Try it out on the next question.